हेलो चिल्ड्रन, हमने हिंदी में एक कहावत सुनी है ना, जैसे को तैसा। लेकिन क्या हम इसका मतलब जानते हैं? चलिए ये स्टोरी सुन के शायद हमें समझ आ जाए। स्टोरी का टाइटल है मोर देन अ मैच। Long, long ago, there was a rich merchant named Arvan. He often traveled to other towns. He had earned riches by his hard work. He was very careful and cautious on his journeys. In those olden days, people traveled long distances on foot, and a few had the advantage of driving horse carriages. Though Arvan was a rich man, yet he would save every penny that he could. He believed that saving was earning. He walked and walked on foot through the forest. He had a large sum of money in a small bag, which he guarded so carefully. तो ये उस टाइम की बात है जब कार्स, बसेस, स्कूटर्स ये सब नहीं होते थे। या तो लोग पैदल सफ़र करते थे या फिर घोड़ा गाड़ी पे। और एक बात और कि हम जितने भी मर्जी रिच हों, अगर हम ध्यान से खर्च नहीं करेंगे तो वो जो रिचनेस है वो जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगी। आगे देखते हैं क्या हुआ। When Arvan was passing through a village, a thief spotted him. The thief was experienced. He could gauge that the man was rich and was most possibly carrying money on his person. Gauge का मतलब पता है? अंदाज़ा लगाना। वो इतना चालाक था चोर कि वो अरबान को देख के ही उसने अंदाज़ा लगा लिया कि ना सिर्फ ये रिच है, लेकिन ये अपने पास बहुत सारा पैसा भी कैरी कर रहा है। So he decided to follow him and take away the money he carried. So he took a traveling bag and walked with Arvan and thus befriended him. उसको अरवान को बेवकूफ़ बनाने के लिए खुद भी एक ट्रैवलर वाला भेस अपना लिया। The thief told tales, narrated incidents, cracked jokes and discussed other matters. This way, he tried to amuse Arvan and to win his trust and confidence. अब अगर हमें किसी को अपना दोस्त बनाना है तो हम उसे बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं ना, यही काम उस चोर ने भी किया। Arvan still had to go a long way when the evening fell. So he decided to stay at an inn. So did the thief. They stayed in one room, for Arvan wanted to save on every possible penny, ताकि वो पैसे बचा सके। तो वो और जो उसका साथी था, जिसको वो जानता नहीं था कि असल में चोर है, वो एक ही रूम में रुके। The thief was all the more ready to stay in one room. It could give him an opportune moment to steal his money. They ate their meals and lay down on the adjoining beds. The thief closed his eyes, but he was awake. In fact, he waited for Arvan to fall asleep. At the stroke of midnight, the thief saw Arvan snoring loudly. आधी रात को जब उसके खर्राटों की आवाज़ आई तो थीफ को यकीन हो गया कि अरवान सो चुका है। He carefully arose and searched his bag, but he could not find any money. He searched every cloth in it, but to no avail. He searched every inch of it, but without result. Then he searched every part of the clothes Arvan wore, but not a single coin did he find. Disappointed, he came back to his bed and fell asleep. अब आप भी हैरान होंगे ना, ऐसा कैसे? अरवान का बैग चेक करा, बैग में रखे कपड़े चेक करे, यहाँ तक कि अरवान ने जो कपड़े पहने थे वो भी चेक कर लिए, लेकिन एक भी पैसा नहीं मिला। हैरानी तो थोड़ी हमें भी है कि ऐसा कैसे। आगे देखते हैं। In the morning, they once again began their journey, but the charm that the thief had displayed the previous day was missing. Arvan was quick to point it out. What happened? Yesterday you talked like a parrot, but today you have hardly spoken any word. The thief did not say a word for long. He knew it was useless to go with Arvan any further, as he was very cautious and intelligent. But he wondered where he had hidden the money. He could not resist himself, So gathering all his courage, he said to Arvan, "Sir, I should tell you my purport of having accompanied you yesterday." Purport जानते हैं? Another word for purpose. I am a thief. I believe you have a lot of money on your person, but when I searched for it at night, I found none of it. Though I am a thief, yet I need to learn quite a few tricks from you. क्योंकि ये चोर समझ चुका था कि अरवान उससे ज़्यादा समझदार और कनिंग है. Arvan smiled at the thief. He was already on the threshold of the town. He took out the money bag from his travelling bag and showing it to him said, "You are right. Here is the money that you were looking for." "Why didn't I get it?" asked the thief. "Simple. I proved more than a match for you," replied Arvan. Simple है, मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा समझदार और कनिंग था. कैसे? "That's what I want to know," the thief said slowly. "All right, I will tell you. When you were taking meals in the evening, I slipped this bag into your bag. I did it because I had doubts about your being a thief. I was right to do so. You searched my bag, my clothes, but found nothing. I awoke early in the morning before you did and took the bag out. I had kept the money bag in your bag because you were not likely to search your own bag," replied Arvan smilingly. The thief walked away, cursing himself and admiring the trick of his co-traveler. देखा आपने, जैसे को तैसा. थीफ ने अरवान को बेवकूफ़ बनाने की सोची और यात्री ट्रैवलर बन के उसके साथ हो लिया. लेकिन अरवान भी कम समझदार नहीं था. समझ गया कि शायद ये चोर हो सकता है. पैसे बचाने के लिए अपने पैसों की थैली चोर के बैग में रख दी. अब चोर हर जगह ढूंढेगा, ऑब्वियसली अपने बैग को तो नहीं सर्च करेगा ना. इसीलिए कहते हैं जैसे को तैसा. I hope you enjoyed the story.